If you are looking for a natural way to support your joints and digestion, please watch this carefully. Today, we're talking about a root that has been used for centuries in traditional cooking and wellness practices. Ginger. Not as a miracle cure, not as a replacement for medical treatment, but as a plant known for its powerful bioactive compounds. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and shagules. These compounds are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response in the body. However, when it becomes long-term and unbalanced, it can affect overall comfort and mobility. Including ginger regularly as part of a balanced diet may help support the body's natural inflammatory response. Another important benefit of ginger is its support for digestion. Ginger has traditionally been used to support stomach comfort and promote smoother digestion after meals. Some research suggests that ginger may help support normal gastric emptying, which contributes to digestive balance. Ginger may also support circulation. Healthy circulation plays a role in delivering nutrients efficiently throughout the body. Additionally, ginger contains antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress over time. Preparation matters. Fresh ginger, lightly grated into meals or tea, helps preserve its active compounds. It can be added to soups, stir-fries, smoothies, or steeped in warm water as ginger tea. Ginger is not a quick fix. It does not replace professional medical advice. Its strength lies in consistency. Small amounts used regularly can become a simple and supportive daily habit. Sometimes, the most powerful support comes from roots that have been trusted for generations. If you found this explanation helpful, and you enjoy calm, science-based discussions about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you liked this video, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.